Hi, so in this video we will learn about lead manager in Whatsboost. As you know, this is our dashboard. When you log in, you have to go to lead manager. In the lead manager, there are four options: pipeline, contacts, groups, and tags. Tags allows you to assign them to multiple contacts, right? Which allows your team to segmentize your contacts in different groups, which allows you to identify leads which are hot leads. If you want to create converted leads, you can create tags: leads which I have purchased. You can also add the tag color, so it will show you. Same goes with groups. You can create the groups with name like Google leads, as well as description, so that your team is able to understand which is this lead is all about. In the context, in a single dashboard, you will be able to see lead name, lead email, lead name, phone number, lead stage as well. If you have created the pipeline, group name, in which group this lead is in, either is in meta lead or Google lead or website lead, from which source this lead has come, as well as remarks. You can see if the character limits are exceeded, you can just hover in the like this, and you will be able to see the whole remarks about the lead, and as well as when this lead has been created. So how do you connect, how do you create the lead, right? You can either create the lead using single add new button. Let me just create one now. As well as email, you can put in lead. Let's assume I have selected the Google, and as well as tags could be multiple: lead which have purchased our product. And I've just created a new lead named Mukul. As you can see in the remarks, I'm able to see the whole remarks, right? If I don't want to add manually, so you can use the import CSV, right? And using the CSV file, you can select the in which group you want to add the people, and just upload the CSV. We have already put in the download sample, and when you will download it, it will show you whole video about how to import the leads and everything, and as well as how to integrate our tool so that your leads come automatically. You don't have to manually add them. That we will cover in the different video. So that's about the lead manager all about is. And thank you so much.